Hello everyone, it's Jalen again. I don't know why I'm saying everyone, this is really only for me. Anyway, this is the second game that I made. It is a visual novel type game, and it uses the number pads to progress through the story. So, what I have right now is just a couple placeholder text. This is the title of the game, and this is just something that I put on the side. It's only one scene, still the sample scene. I learned how to use states, so I have different states, and I'll show how I made that afterwards. And also used custom text for the title. Okay, so here is the code. What I did was I made these two serialized fields that will be in each. Is it in the event system? No, it's somewhere. Oh, right here. So it's in the game right here, and text component and starting state. So that just means that, this game right here is what'll happen when we start the game. The starting state is the introduction state, which I put in this folder conveniently. And then the text component will be whatever is in story text. So just to show right here, starting state. So this is what state will be. And then text component is state.getStory. And I'll explain what state is here in a second. So this is the scriptable object that I made called state. And basically what it is, here's an example of a state. It brings up this text box, allows me to put a couple elements there, and it'll stuff it into an array, which is the next states. And I'll show you how it works in a second. So then update will just do manage state. Update, just come here, get next states. What this code does is with every instance of a next state, it will allow me to either press 1, 2, 3, however many states there are. So I will, let's just go into the game right now to explain everything I've been going. It's very short. So as you can see here, press 1 to continue. If I press the 1 key on my keyboard, it goes. So then I read over the story, and I have two options. I can choose between 1, and I can choose between 2, and each will take me to a different state. So I separated them here in the folder, so I'll just go the top route. And then right here is a second state, and then I again choose between 1 and 2. If I press any other button, it doesn't work because it just disables. It doesn't ask to press any other buttons. It knows that there's only 2 right here, and these are the 2 that I have. Just as an example, it's not exactly this, but just as an example, 1 and 2, it'll only allow me to push buttons 1 or 2 for whatever is in the choices. So then I could just do 2, and then here there's only 1, and then I could do 2, and then 1, and that's the end. And then it will just loop if you want to do different story, or if you want to maybe do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's devlog number 2. The things that I learned a lot about arrays. I learned for loops. I learned how to make scriptable objects, which are very helpful when I want to do something like this, like a scene that I can switch to, maybe something that contains story text or something. So yeah, devlog number 2. I don't know how to end these. Bye bye.